So guys, we were just making this pretty awesome slime over here. Oh, look at that. Pure slime. We just found this Play-Doh container and we just put it in there. Keep mixing until it forms. Look at that forming. So if you want us to see making this slime, make us making this slime, this pretty cool slime. Just stay with one of my videos. But let's get right on. Let's get right on to hey yo, Didai. What's this? Besha. Today, just made this awesome slime. You want us to show it to you? Sure. Look at this little metallic pink slime. And it has lots of these galaxy glitters in them. Yeah. And Besha loves to play with it. Yeah. And we have matching dresses. Okay. Show them. We have matching dresses. Matching dresses. We're like twins. Look how Besha loves playing with this slime. Put it in here, Besha. Time to mix it. Did you even see my hand move? I think you can't even barely see that move. I'm gonna turn this little slime into a ball. Okay. I'm just gonna make this slime form even better while doing this. So you guys might actually be bored, so I'm gonna pause this video. This video is sponsored by Play-Doh. But now, let's get on to the video. Let's go. So, we're back on the video. We're still doing this thing after it's been like 1 hour. I'm still been doing this and been doing this, poking this in with little Besha man. Right?
Yeah.
Been doing this for an hour.
Yeah.
And it's my cousin's birthday. Her name is Jessie Bernard. Jessie Bernard. That kid's creepy. If you're wondering, why are my glasses wet? I just went to the bathroom and just peed. Just to let you know, if you were wondering. And water splashed on me.
This mommy.
No.
This mommy.
We're gonna do slime reveal in 3. No, we're gonna do a slime reveal in 3, 2, 1.
Go.
So guys, our slime might be little, but it's dry. And it's super stretchy. And it makes this cool sound when you stretch it, like when you do this. Let me show you. Did you hear that sound? Come on, oh my God, Besha, why are you naked? Sorry, she's just naked. She's crazy. Sorry about that. You had some trouble. Okay. You want to play with the slime?
Yeah.
No coughing.
No coughing. Yay!
Look at this little beautiful slime that we just made. Hey, come here. Put it down. Look at this. It's fun. And that's cool. I hope it was a satisfying video for you, but some of you are probably disgusted. I know. Amy's gonna say, ew, what's that? Besha, don't play with that like that. No, put it here, put it here. Look at